Dr. Devin Naidu practices as a GP in Khayelistha and Mfuleni. Usually he would be the one administering injections, but today he was on the receiving end of the needle, as one of the first private doctors to be vaccinated at Groote Hospital.
At the moment, it's the best defense we have. The actual process is totally painless. The injection, you won't feel a thing. It's not. I think even a bee sting is a little bit more painful than this. Things are pretty coordinated here, so there's a little bit of wait, but that's just to make sure that things are done properly. But no regrets. I've had COVID before, which I've recovered from. It's not a pleasant experience, so it's definitely, if you get a chance to get the vaccine, get it.
The province received 13,000 of the initial 80,000 Johnson & Johnson doses, which arrived in the country last week. 2/3 of the doses have been allocated to the public sector.
Felt like quite a historical moment. We've all given patients jabs at some point in our lives, but interesting to be on the other side of the chair or the table and to get quite a historical vaccine.
It's going to assist me tremendously because I see patients as a first-line practitioner presenting with COVID symptoms. So if I'm protected, it will at least safeguard me and I can continue managing patients and rendering the service that we are supposed to be doing.
The current rollout forms part of the implementation study for clinical trials. As such, rural areas have not yet been included.
Yesterday, both numbers, Tygerberg and Groote, is about 862. And today it might be more, as you can see here in the Groote site. The Tygerberg site is moving slowly, but on Tuesday I will be there, specifically also for our staff and also for the feeder areas. Because remember, when we say it's a Tygerberg or Groote, it doesn't mean it's only for the staff here. It's a feeder area for the Metro West, and then we have the Metro East, where also Khayelistha is part of that. What we want the target to be per day, because we've got 13,000 doses, which is at least by 2 weeks we're supposed to have completed them.
Some frontline workers at the hospital say they are also eager to get their jabs.
For me, it makes me feel good that to see all people are ready to take this. I'm also one of the people who are going to take this because we must take this.
A Western Cape healthcare worker was the first person to be vaccinated in the country this week. Vanessa Puna, SABC News, Cape Town.